Today I am reviewing HP OMEN 16L Gaming Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a powerful, modern gaming desktop that can also double as a productivity and creative workstation, the HP OMEN 16L Gaming Desktop is definitely worth your attention. This system strikes a balance between raw power, future-ready components, and thoughtful design, making it an excellent choice for both gamers and professionals who need serious performance. At the heart of this desktop is the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that can clock up to 5.0 GHz on Turbo Boost. What makes this chip stand out is that it manages to outperform Intel's i7-14700F in several multi-threaded and creative workloads. That means whether you're gaming at high frame rates, streaming your gameplay, or working on music production projects, the Ryzen 7 8700F provides fast, stable, and reliable performance. Pairing this CPU is the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR5 memory. This GPU offers smooth gameplay in the latest titles, supporting ray tracing and AI-powered features like DLSS. For 1080p and even 1440p gaming, you can expect high frame rates across competitive shooters and AAA games. It's also capable of handling creative workloads, making it a great option for video editing, 3D rendering, and music production software that benefits from GPU acceleration. The system includes 16 GB of DDR5 memory, which is excellent for multitasking. Since DDR5 RAM is faster and more efficient than the previous generation, you'll notice smoother app switching, quicker load times, and fewer slowdowns when running multiple programs at once. And for storage, you get a 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD. This ensures fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and plenty of space for games, software, and large project files. Plus, the OMEN 16L allows for future upgrades, so you can expand RAM up to 64 GB or increase your SSD capacity up to 4 TB as your needs grow. Connectivity on this system is also impressive. On the front, you have two USB Type-C ports, including one that supports up to 10 gigabits per second, along with multiple USB-A ports for fast data transfer. Around the back, you'll find even more USB options, 3 display ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and multiple audio jacks. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support ensures that you can enjoy stable wireless connectivity for both gaming and productivity. Another nice touch is the included Machenike K500A B61W mechanical gaming keyboard. This isn't just a cheap add-on, it's a proper mechanical keyboard that complements the overall gaming experience. With tactile keys and reliable performance, it makes the package feel more premium and ensures you're ready to go right out of the box. Of course, this desktop runs on Windows 11 Home, which brings better productivity features, improved gaming optimization, and even compatibility with Android apps. This makes it not just a gaming powerhouse, but also a versatile workstation for everyday use, content creation, and entertainment. The build quality of the OMEN 16L is also worth noting. It comes in a sleek black tower design that measures just over 13 inches tall and weighs a little over 12 pounds. It's not overly bulky, making it easier to place on or under your desk. And being a pre-built HP OMEN system, it comes with warranty support and the reliability that a trusted brand name provides. To sum it all up, the HP OMEN 16L gaming desktop delivers a well-rounded combination of speed, graphics performance, and expandability. The Ryzen 7 8700F and RTX 5060 together make it a future-proof choice for gamers, while the DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD ensure smooth multitasking and lightning-fast load times. Add to that a comprehensive set of ports, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and the included mechanical keyboard, and you're looking at a system that's not just built for play, but also for work and creativity. If you want a gaming desktop that's reliable, powerful, and upgrade-friendly, the HP OMEN 16L is definitely a strong contender in 2025. It's perfect for gamers who want high FPS, streamers who need stability, and creators who demand fast rendering and productivity tools all in one package.